Since the year 2014, we've gone on a serious campaign to reduce on plastic waste generation. And to that effect, our drive has been more of recycling and avoidance. We, as a site, were consuming just over 4.9 million bottles of water. We embarked on an exercise to eliminate use of bottled water on site. To do that, a number of initiatives were put in place, one of which was, first of all, to ensure that we had a potable water treatment plant. With that came the provision of reusable aluminum bottles, which were given to all the employees and have since been made a stock item. When we have visitors, we try by all means to give them aluminum bottles, which they can then reuse. So with this campaign, we've seen that over the years, we've been able to reduce bottled water consumption by 99.8% as of last year. Our goal is to ensure total elimination of bottled water. Besides that, we also realized that from our canteens, we're generating quite a lot of non-biodegradable food packaging, which is in the form of polystyrene, food packaging, as well as plastic cutlery. We then brought on trial some food packaging made of biocane or bagasse, which we found useful and have since rolled out that program. So we've basically substituted the polystyrene food packaging with that type of food packaging. We also substituted the use of plastic cutlery, forks, table knives, as well as spoons. That has been substituted with cornstarch cutlery, which is biodegradable.
For the recyclable plastic waste, what we recycle here is between 7 to 8 tons of each type of waste. So we have waste chemical bags, shredded plastic containers, as well as baled plastic bags. Our approach is to integrate sustainability at the business of whatever we're doing. Much of the waste that we are recycling here is recycled through local contractors that then recycle, or rather sent to third-party contractors for recycling.
We have committed ourselves to conducting our business in an environmentally sustainable manner. When this project was coming up, we did an environmental impact assessment, and in there we committed ourselves to what we are going to do to make sure that we conduct this business in an environmentally sustainable manner. We've got a program. We go through different departments in the workshops to make sure that we communicate to people about the importance of waste segregation from source.
We've involved the schools in these kind of programs, but it's usually for a short duration, mostly during the environmental week. That's why we engage schools who get engaged in debates to talk about the same problem. I think we can do better. For schools that have got that kind of setup, they are free to come to us. We see how we can work closely with them.